Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room, and I'm going to do a video recap, a brief one today, and we're going to cover our newest favorite signal generated in the room. You've often heard us say we are not a one-trick pony. We have several reliable, predictable signals and situations that we use for the benefit of our members in our room. But if we were a one-trick pony, this probably would be the trick. Most services will focus on one idea, and this is a good one. We have a lot of things that our members use to benefit their trading. But today we're going to focus on the single system. We call it SMoKE signal. This name actually was given a signal by one of our members, and he called it the Smart Momentum Killer Entry Signal, and that's where SMoKE comes from. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to look at June the 12th, and we're not going to look at all day. The data is just too overwhelming. We're going to show you how we started today in our trading, the first 30 minutes of trading with the SMoKE signal in the Stock Index Trading Room. If you've not read this, please pause the video and do so, and then rejoin us after you have read that. If you're not familiar with our work, all of our proprietary indicators are smart Renko bars. All of the other indicators on the chart that we use for our benefit were developed, coded, tested, traded, refined by World Cup trading champion and one-time largest Emini trader in the world, Rob Mitchell. So we're very fortunate that we get to use Rob's tools and Rob's guidance in our trading. If you have any questions, please shoot us an email at support@stockindextradingroom.com. And if you have more questions about our trading room or want to join us, stockindextradingroom.com is our website. If you'll watch that brief video to the end, you'll see a nice discount that as long as that coupon discount code is there, it will be valid, and we're running that over from a promotion that we did that's been very successful. So here we go, Friday, June the 12th, SMoKE signals, and our SMoKE signal uses smart momentum. Momentum turns up, and the market goes up. A little bit of correction here, a lot of ways to use this. We're going to cover one here. Smart momentum says we're headed down, cycling down. This is cycling down, okay? Smart momentum, and then smart price band to sort of get us on the right side of acceleration. This signal was generated, and we did some refinement on it to capture accelerating moves in our favor. Those are the most fun to trade. And probably the most reliable over a long period of time. So let's get with it. Here's our vertical blue line represents market open 9:30 room time, 8:30 exchange time. And what we look for is very, very simple signal that gets triggered. We have a red smart price band, and this is more than a colored EMA. There are a lot of those on the market. This is much more than that. And we have red smart momentum, saying momentum is on the downside. Okay, that's it. Now, I don't know how experienced you are as you read this. If you're an experienced trader, you would understand that this cycling is lower than the last one. So that would mean that we would anticipate another substantial move to the downside. Now, we don't know at this point if we're going to get that. We just have something that's very highly reliable and has a proven track record of getting us involved in the market in a situation to where it's more likely to go in our favor than against us over time. That's it. That's all we do. We have an advantage to where we look to enter and take advantage of any situations that you might see and like. So anyway, red smart price band, red smart momentum. We have sell here, and that's a nice little 4 or 5 point. Each one of these continuation bars is a full point. 1, 2, 3, so it went 4 and it reversed and we got back in. We're going to show you some different ways that you might want to apply this, but that would depend upon whether you're trading live funds or a sim account. If you've contacted your financial advisor, and your financial advisor has advised that you have risk funds. You might have a small account, a medium account, a large account. Your goals are all going to be different. So we're going to show you a basic way to trade it, and then you can expand it from there any way you like. So anyway, here we have an entry and it comes down, and sure enough, our smart momentum read is giving us nice cycling here. This is just a continuation here, likely to continue. And away we go, and here we have another small winner, 3 points. Our reversal bars are 8 ticks in nature, and that sort of over time you will see that 8 or so ticks in the ES sort of identifies local trend. And so we have several factors that are saying, yeah, that's a pretty good place to get involved in the market. So depending on how you would trade it, you're 1 for 1, 2 for 2, whatever you might be as the market starts. Here we come up, we get a trend reversal, our structure reversal. Let's call it structure reversal. It's really not trend reversal. Smart price band turns blue, cyan. Okay, so what are we looking for? Green. Smart momentum saying, hey, momentum's on the upside. Okay, so we would enter here, green reversal bar, green, 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 says go. Okay, another 4 point, 2 point, 1 point, 2 point, however you would manage that. Okay, and as you can see, we're getting higher cycles in price as we continue to go up. A lot of ways to trade this, but we're going to focus only on one signal. Now, we almost had a winner here, but this was smart momentum was green here. Okay, so no signal here. Again, a lot of ways to trade, but we're showing you only one. Now here's in the first 30 minutes, here's our first, we would call this a loser. It only went up a point and then reversed. However you would manage that, you would manage that. But here we have a small winner, 2 point winner. Here we have 6 or 7 points before it reverses. But what is it? Red smart price band, red momentum, red smart momentum. Momentum's on a downside. Continuation and acceleration is very likely. Here we go again as we start to end the first period or the first 30 minutes of trading. Things get a little more choppy. And if you've traded a while, you know that. Okay, so, but here's another 2 pointers, a 2 point winner and a 2 point winner. And so on. So what I've done here, some of you are familiar. Let me take this off. We don't need that. Familiar with our trade marker software, okay? That gives us the ability to mark a bar and then study if I had taken these entries, if I'd have held it for 1 point, 2 point, 50 points, 900 points, and used a 1 tick, 4,000, whatever you would want to do, however you would want to do this, however you would want to study this. And over time, obviously, and you know this if you're a trader, these parameters will change a little bit. But you've watched several recaps, or if you haven't, go to our YouTube channel and watch our recaps for the SMoKE signal. And, you know, you'll see these numbers hold very, very consistent. Actually, this is a pretty small sample size, 8 trades. Our win percentage for 2 points when we're using 2 points and a tick stop is 88%, which, you know, the profit factor is unbelievable. In my opinion, I never thought I would have anything this good that Rob's provided for us to trade. But anyway, so what we've done is we just simply, real simple, we would take and we would get a buy signal over here, and we would just attach it to that bar and it would read. Okay, so I'm going to take that off because we don't need that. It's a really, really handy tool we use in the room every day. So what we've done is this. You could do this for 1 point, 2 points, how many ever, 5 points, whatever you like. You can increase the stop, you can decrease the stop. But for this study, we are using a 2 point win, and because of that, we reduced our stop size. We've reduced it to 9 ticks, okay? So very tight stop. Some people would say 2 points is a small target. Other people would say that's a huge target. And of course, that's up to the individual, right? But for Friday morning, the first 30 minutes of trading, there were 8 signals given. 7 of those won for a net profit, trading 1 lot for a net profit after commissions of $552 for the first 30 minutes of trading. And here was the first entry, and here's an entry, and there's the buy. And then here's the red one that we barely missed. Here's our loser. We made no consideration for that. You know, do you want to trail it any or not? Totally up to you. There's a winner. There's a winner. 2 points only. We didn't interpret where you're going to get 2 here and 8 here. That's totally unfair to you as a trader, and we don't do that. Okay, so here's another small winner, small or large winner, whatever. 2 points, 2 points, 2 points, 7 out of 8. And I went ahead and marked some others. There's a winner, there's a winner, there's a winner, there's a winner. There's one that didn't work, so 4 out of 5 here. That one won, that one only went up a point. Another winner, another winner. That one didn't do well. This one won, this one won, that one won. And you can see as the market moves, these are pretty spectacular entries. For acceleration, continuation, it's a total continuation. And when the acceleration and momentum is on the downside, the ability to accelerate quickly in your favor is increased. So our members love it. They're having a blast. So let me run back here. And I don't have it on this chart. Let me pull this up for you right quick. And we'll close with this. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, support@stuckindextradingroom.com. We would love for you to go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. And when we update things, you will be the first, was part of the first in the trading industry to know. Again, following Rob Mitchell's work, largest E-mini trader in the world and World Cup trading champion. Pretty good person to have on your side. And then shoot us emails. This is being done over the weekend after this is done on the 13th. We'll address your emails on Monday morning or Monday midday as we can. We'd love for you to come join us. If this looks like, you know, things that you would enjoy trading, come and join us and be a part of this and start to experience what this is like. So on behalf of Rob, all the members of the Stock Index Trading Room, we wish you best success in your trading.